Superintendent of Police ka East Khasi Hills uba Vivix em hagakat pratrik jemang ula ong baka jingioh jamin jonga Sonam Raghuvanshi kabala syak no don kti hakmat haka jing syak penyap ukurim jongka uraja Raghuvanshi kadai kabala pensyong nongrim na kajing thoh bakla habak dawi ki kyndon an Henry ula banjur bakane kan pentrat ya kajing tian bishar. Kani ka beriu kala yo jamin halor ka nongrim bakadon ka jingbakla ka thoh ka kdew yaki kyndon an kata ka number jong ka kyndon lapan kala naka spotlight syaka south spotlight ong USP haba kdew bakam dan satya ka kyndon south spotlight haka BNS lapan scam balapan tip syaka basyak keno don ketiye ki nongrim jong ka jing syakem haman lagi kerdan kamdei baya ka nongrim jong ka jing syak om syam lapun sngotho hakapor bale ya ka transit remand ru lapun sngotho bha ya ka nongrim jong ka jingkam ya ka nongsha keno don kti ulaang hakapor bapun mi ya ka nongrim jong ka jingsha kem ru la ai ban sngotho bat ba ka nongsha keno don kti ru wa sngotho bakala syak kem halor ka kampanya brio ban rap USP Henry ke yeng kashri kala shim ya kanongrim ka bapher bat kalapan mi ya ka hukum ba om shim la shna ya kinongrim jong ka jingkam ka ban sngotho dak nongsha keno ngila tuklar persya ya kate ka hukum ong USP haba benram kamot bakandan ka no kuno ka jingep her ha ka jing bishar bat ka chat sheet kaladan ngiladan ya kisaki satar ki babyang persya ya ka basya keno dan kti ka jingioh jamin kamut bakan pentrat satya ya ka jingtian bishar uba vivek upentim balawan lam ya ka Sonam hakmat u magistrate ha Gazipur ha ka balayo ya ka transit remand halor ki kyndon kampanya brio bat hadin balawan lam hakmat u magistrate hang neru la ailat bakan sngotho baka kambaman ka bakalale ka de ka kampanya brio
the number of the section was changed from 103 to 403. There's no 403 in the BNS, and the grounds of arrest. It is not that the grounds of arrest were not made to understand. When the transit remand was made, also the grounds of arrest were given to understand to the accused. During production, also the grounds of arrest were given to understand. And the accused had understood that she was arrested for murder, but court has taken a different stand and given order that grounds of arrest were not made to be understood by the accused. We have appealed for that. It does not mean that there will be any difference in the trial, and the charge sheet is there. We have enough evidence against the accused. Bail does not mean that it'll in any way dilute the outcome of the trial. She was produced in Gazipur and before a magistrate out there, and we got transit remand from there based on the section of murder. And when she was produced again out here before the production magistrate, also she was given to understand that the offence committed is for murder. So we don't see any reason why she could not have understood that she was being produced here for murder. That's the discretion of the court out there, and I'm quite sure that she may have been given legal aid out there. Any accused who actually does not have any counsel will be provided legal aid. There'll be a hearing tomorrow, if I'm not mistaken. So let us see what the outcome is.